dropping into the AO. Enemy destroyed. Use your TAC map to hunt down the rest of them. Advised. Enemies deployed a buy station.
One more up here. He's coming in.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Locate the rest of them. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Marking the rest of that squad on your TAC map. Go get hunting. Mark remaining operators from that squad.
Active fire! Be advised, enemies deployed a buy station.
Ah!
Enemy buy station deployed. Bounty targets are up. Get after them.
LMG marked.
Mark remaining operators.
Found a suspect.
Use your TAC map. You got gas moving in. Enemy soldier incoming.
It works.
Way to keep it tight.
Then
Supply box UAV is inbound.
one second.
Mark
I'm
the rest
running.
of that squad on your TAC map. Go get hunting.
Where did he die at? I will chase him down.
Confirmed, and we located the rest of them. Enemies are dropping